Hey guys, the legal battle between President Bola Tinubu and his main challenger, Atiku Abubakar, has taken a new twist as a prominent US Nigerian columnist, Farouk Baruge, has changed his position on the alleged forgery of Tinubu's certificate. Baruge, who had earlier accused Tinubu of forging a certificate from the Chicago State University, has now said that the president did not commit forgery in the legal sense of the term. In his column on Saturday, October 7, Barugi explained that certificates are legally worthless in the United States and that only transcripts can be used as legal proof of graduation from any school. He said that since Tinubu's transcript, which was validated by the registrar of the Chicago State University under oath, corroborated his claim of graduating from the Chicago State in 1979, along with the testimony of his former classmates. That is all that matters. Barugi's fresh stance in a contradiction to his earlier declaration, where he pointed out several inconsistencies in the certificate that Tinubu submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, in connection with the 2023 presidential election. He had said that the certificate bore a female name, indicated attendance at a school that did not exist then, and featured a different middle name than the one on Tinubu's NYSC certificate. He had also said that the certificate did not match the format and style of the certificate the Chicago State University issued in 1979 and subsequently. Meanwhile, Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), has filed fresh documents before the Supreme Court seeking to overturn the verdict of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal that upheld Tinubu's victory. Atiku has applied for leave to file fresh evidence against Tinubu based on the deposition made by Claire Westberg, the registrar of the Chicago State University, on October 3, 2023. Atiku has alleged that Tinubu committed forgery and perjury by submitting a fake certificate to INEC and lying under oath about his academic qualification. He also raised 35 other grounds of appeal challenging the validity of the election and alleging irregularities, malpractices, and non-compliance with the electoral laws. The Supreme Court is expected to hear Atiku's appeal soon and deliver its judgment within 60 days from the date of filing. The fate of Nigeria's democracy hangs in the balance as the appeals court decide whether to uphold or overturn Tinubu's mandate. This is really getting more interesting. As Nigerians who have reacted to this are now asking, so why the change of mind? Why the change of mouth? The same you said this, the same you are now saying another one. What? That is it for you. Meanwhile, Frank Shaibu, the special assistant on public communication to Atiku Abubakar, has also alleged that the administration led by Bola Tinubu has advised a complex and a sinister plan to stiff the media ahead of the impending disclosure of his criminal investigations by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, in the United States. In a statement released on a Sunday, Shaibu ascertained that the Tinubu administration was growing increasingly incensed by the Chicago State University controversy and was gearing up for a significant offense. According to Atiku's aide, the recent threat issued by the National Broadcasting Commission (NBC) to penalize Arise television news was merely the tip of the iceberg. He contended that the NBC had been closely monitoring the conduct of Tinubu's media outlets, such as Television Continental TVC, which had constantly launched attacks against Atiku and had vehemently refrained from hearing opposing viewpoints. Shaibu went on to elaborate, as far back as February, the NBC attempted to exhibit a degree of impartiality by imposing fines on TVC for unprofessional broadcast, including the airing of a past briefing by the Joint Media Directorate of the APC Presidential Campaign Council, during which Festus Kayamo alleged that Obasanjo and Atiku were involved in a criminal enterprise and a web of fraud in Abuja. However, since Tinubu assumed the presidency on May 29, the NBC has exhibited a more pronounced partisan bias than ever before. It appears that the NBC's chief, Balarabi, is determined to secure his position and is now aligned with the APC and their leader at the presidential villa. The NBC has now become a part of a larger scheme to silence the media regarding Tinubu's certificate scandal. Having failed to sway public opinion, they are now attempting to employ the state's authority to suppress the media. This is disheartening turn of events, especially for someone who once portrayed himself as a champion of the June 12 struggle. So guys, let's hear from you. What's your take? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section, please. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.